Welcome to day 21 of our 30-day meditation challenge. Today we'll be practicing awareness, noticing the breath. So I invite you to come into that seated position or a position lying down or standing up, whatever will allow you to remain both alert and also at ease in your practice today. And you can begin by letting the eyes softly close, or you can just allow that gaze to come down towards the floor. Awareness, noticing the breath. So taking a first slow, deep breath in intentionally through the nostrils. And releasing through the nostrils. Letting the breath return to its natural rhythm. And notice that awareness is already here. You can see this for yourself when you try for just a moment to stop being aware. You cannot. Awareness simply is. So we're allowing ourselves to be seated in this awareness. Allowing ourselves to notice the breath. This presence is all pervasive. The aware presence of this very moment. And from the space of this aware presence, just allowing breath to be known. Awareness knowing the texture of this breath. And the temperature and felt sense of this one. And anytime that the mind wanders or distraction comes, just allowing yourself to rest again in that awareness, the awareness that notices the body breathing. Awareness, knowing this breath. And this one. Nothing to control. Just noticing. Thank you for practicing with me today on day 21 of our meditation challenge. And I do hope you'll practice with me again tomorrow. Namaste.